So I'm hanging out with my sister today, and Lucas, look at him. He's just staring at me. Say hi, Lucas. Yeah, there's that smile. There's. And I literally just rushed here, and before leaving the apartment, I made myself some oatmeal, and I also made her some overnight oats. There's Kristen, say hi! And my oatmeal has, it's yellow because it has some turmeric in it, and Lucas is looking at it. Doesn't it look good? Yeah, I put turmeric in mine. It's just it's a root, but it's powder form. But it's really good for, yeah, it's anti-inflammatory, yep. There's so many good things about turmeric. Yeah, that's crazy. I don't even know if it's turmeric or turmeric. Turmeric. I don't know if it's, because there's an R. But anyways, I brought myself some breakfast, so I'm gonna eat it. I topped it off with like peanut butter, dates, strawberries, and bananas, and yeah. So I'm gonna eat this, and then we're gonna hang out today and probably go grocery shopping and possibly juice. Maybe. Or maybe. But we'll figure it out. Just come hang out with us. And Lucas. Crying baby. Hey sis.
Hey.
We got coffees. Junction, that's where we went.
I got a mocha Americano, 1 pump. And I got a white chocolate Americano with 2 scoops of coconut milk. Oh, and you added soy, right?
Yes. So Kristen, this girl right here is the most coffee,
I'm a coffee snob.
She's a coffee snob. Make sure it's that way.
This girl finally got her license after how many years?
After, I don't know. Okay, so I just finished hanging out with my sister. I beat traffic and I feel really good. And I just went to Winco and I bought some more bananas because our bananas ripened really quickly, so I need some more. And now I'm just gonna go home, make some lunch. I bought like Boca veggie. You should never go to the grocery store hungry, and I'm a little hungry, so I got burger vegan chicken patties. But I don't even think I'm gonna eat them. I don't even know. I'm not in the mood for something too big, and I wanna have like a big dinner, so I don't know. We will figure something out, and I'll show you guys what I eat on a day like today when I'm off and I don't really have much to do. So right now I am microwaving a big bowl of tofu scramble, and I'm gonna have that for lunch. And I really want to make like a date ball energy bite recipe for you guys. I'm just gonna make it right now. Look how cute Ziggy is being. Ziggy, hi. Cutie. He likes to bite. He likes to bite. See? So cute. Hi. Okay, this is what I'm having. Oh, I forgot a fork. But this is my tofu scramble leftovers, like a big bowl of it, with maybe 1 slice or half, I don't know, probably the whole thing, of sourdough bread. And this yellow stuff on top of my tofu scramble is called nutritional yeast. A lot of people seem to be freaked out about nutritional yeast. I don't really know, understand why people are freaked out about yeast. Like, we have it in bread, we put it in so many different things, but some people seem to be freaked out about it because a lot of vegans use it for like a cheese flavor or a cheese substitute. I absolutely love the flavor of nutritional yeast. It has the most delicious cheesy flavor to me, and it's loaded with B12. I do not personally take B12 supplements because I eat so much nutritional yeast, and I don't know, I guess I've never really felt like I needed it, but it supposedly helps with mental health, and it does something for your brain. It just makes you happier. I don't know. I believe it because I love the taste of it. That's totally why I believe it. No, I haven't done really much more research into it, but some articles from Psychology Today that I've read in the past say that, people who go through depression, doctors recommend B12 supplements, or unfortunately eating some meat or something because there's B12 in meat. which actually, like, B12 in meat comes from the plants from the ground. It's actually a bacteria, and so those animals that meat eaters are eating get their B12, are they're either supplemented with it or get it from eating the grass from the soil. It comes from soil. So basically, B12, you can get it in fortified milks, like plant milks that have B12 added to it, or you can get it through nutritional yeast, or there's actual like supplements, or like, don't mind that noise. Yeah, you can get it from anywhere. Like, it's not that hard to get B12 supplements, but it does help you just feel more uplifted in some way. I wish I knew the science behind that, but it's really good. I just love the taste of it. Really, that's the only reason why I support people having B12, is just because it tastes so good. Hey guys, I'm gonna make you these beautiful energy bliss balls, and these are all of my ingredients right here. A little messy, but what we're gonna do now is roll these into little balls. Okay, so the mixture is not coming out as thick and as sticky as I would like it to. So hashtag fail. Scratch everything that you just saw and forget about that recipe, because that was really, really bad. So instead of wasting that batch, I'm throwing it in the freezer because I have no idea why, but that turned out way too mushy, and I think it's because of the banana. I might have gone away with it if I only used half a banana, but we are not giving up. We do not give up. So we're gonna try again. This time we're gonna just add it in one at a time, just so we make sure that it's dry and not super wet as before. So let's get into it. Okay, so this time these are the ingredients that you're gonna need, and I made it less because I don't want to waste this batch. So we're gonna do half a cup of dates, 1/3 a cup of oats, teaspoon of chia seeds, tablespoon of sunflower seeds, tablespoon of flaxseed meal, tablespoon of nut butter, any nut butter of choice, and then you're going to do a teaspoon of brown rice syrup or whatever sweetener of choice. And possibly you're going to need some soy milk, maybe, just to help bind it together, but the nut butter might do a good job doing that, so we will see and play it by ear. Let's try it. Here we go, guys. So we're putting the dates in first. By the way, this is really good nut butter. It was on sale at a nearby Safeway. I love it because it's like cacao nibs and espresso nibs. Gonna work? Yeah. That's perfect. Okay, so this is what they turned out to. Let me take a bite of it. Just show you what. It's really good. I prefer them to be this crumbly and this type of texture because I don't know, I really like crunchy. These make a great snack, a great quick vegan snack. There's so many different ways you can make date balls, but this is actually pretty good. I mean, there's a lot of seeds and nuts. Not really many nuts, but I use peanut butter, so that's like the only nut in there. But other than that, it's actually really delicious. And say hi. Thanks. Shorty. Let's go, Shorty. We are at Bradley Lake. It's so pretty here. Wow. Come on, Johnny. Okay, I'm kind of in my PJs, so don't mind me. But I almost forgot to record for dinner, but for dinner I'm having a Boca burger patty. Of course, these are so good. I love the chicken, the vegan chicken patties. So I'm gonna have one of those, and I'm gonna have it on top of a salad, and then I'm gonna have one sweet potato and one carrot, like as a side. And my little sister's gonna try the patty as well. So I'm gonna make her a little sandwich. So I hope she likes it. She normally doesn't like anything vegan that I make because a lot of the things I eat are just like really plain, really simple. But I think she'll like these vegan chicken patties for sure. So we'll just have to see about that. Okay, this is the final product. Here's the burger patty with the salad and then the sweet potato and carrot mix. Yum! So this is Gianna's first time trying a vegan chicken patty from Boca.
I'm a huge meat eater.
And do you like it?
Even though this is fake, it's pretty good for a chicken burger.
But is it fake?
It's vegan.
Fake?
Yeah, so it's fake chicken. Fake chicken.
Well, that doesn't sound too good.
On top plastic.
It's really good. It's really good. I'm glad you like it. High five. Okay guys, well thank you for watching this video. I think I'm gonna sign off here. I'm a little tired and I have some things to do and then just get ready for bed, and then I work in the morning. So I hope this video was informal in any way, and I just hope it was something fun to watch for you guys. I hope you have a great night, and I'll see you guys in my next video.